Hey everyone, if you want to learn how to make this amazing pasta,
Oh yeah, of course we are. So,
let's do it.
stay tuned because we're going to start now. In this video we're going to work on the pasta with tomato sauce and fresh mozzarella. The tomato sauce that we're going to make today is already pre-made, so if you want to learn how to make our Tuscan tomato sauce, let us know in the comments below and we will make a video on it. But for now, it's already done and it's easy. Fresh mozzarella, tomatoes, basil and a lot of flavors. So let's start.
We're going to start with the tomatoes. We're gonna cut in half and large dice.
Okay, meantime Carlos cutting the tomatoes and crushing the garlic. Let's cook the pasta. For that, we're going to add a lot of salt. So, pasta and of course Italy, wood spoon. Otherwise, it's not Nonna style.
So I think what this kind of recipe represent for what it is, it's more family and convivial than it's family recipe, you know.
Yeah.
Like such a nice recipe. You know, my grandma used to do that with me every Sunday. You know.
Like making the tomato sauce with the nonnas in the street in Italy.
Yeah, exactly. Do you have some Italian in your family? I don't know, in the background.
Un poco
So we're going to crush the garlic. Okay, really simple. Press it. Okay. It's really nice and open, and then I'm just going to slice it.
For the tomato sauce, we'll need very nice olive oil. Going to add the garlic. Now we're going to add the tomatoes and a little bit of the oregano. I'm using dry oregano. You can use fresh if you want.
Do you want to add some water on it?
No, don't add water. Like the nonna said, don't add water. Add the pasta water.
Okay.
So,
And why do you add some pasta water?
because if you're going to add a little bit of the regular water, it's going to be too loose and you're losing the flavor. This way you have the starches from the pasta actually thickening and enhancing a little bit the flavor because you have already the salt in the water.
All right. So just be sure you're going to toast the pasta
With
with the tomato sauce.
the tomato
right?
sauce. Now we're going to cook it on really low heat with a lid for about 10 to 15 minutes, and after that add fresh olive oil and the pasta. Make sure to chill your pasta a little bit, otherwise it's going to overcook and we don't want it, and also rinse a little bit the starches. So for the pasta we're going to add our hot tomato sauce to the pasta, everything. Mix it, very nice. Put it aside. Now, Carlos.
So good. So. Oh my god.
Olive oil. So, to the oven with everything else. So, I'm hoping you really enjoyed this simple pasta recipe, and I want to really thank Carlos and Jeremy for helping me out with those videos, and ask you at home, let us know what you think about those videos in the comments below. Give the recipe a thumbs up if it's deserved, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, because more of those recipes and videos coming up every week. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Andre, this is ThinkOFood. Now, for the funny moments.
Yes. There you go, sir.
And we're going to enjoy it in the oven, nice and nice and warm. Stay tuned because we're going to start now. Cut.
Just so you know, I've been filming all of this already.
Really?
Okay.
Recorded everything already.
Okay, okay. We're gonna use it sometime soon in Hollywood.
On this video we're going to make the tomato pot. It's the English, the pronunciation.
We're going to work in some ingredients, and we're going to start.
Starting with the tomato.
Starting.
Yeah.
It smells so good. If you want to know